Hello, hello, and happy Pride. I'm Chef Eddie Garza. Welcome to my kitchen, your kitchen today. Today for Pride, I've got a very delicious and special recipe for us. It is a summer soba salad that's gonna be covered with all sorts of colorful vegetables and rainbow sprouts. Folks, there is a lot to do here and we've gotta go party soon. So let's go ahead and get started with this recipe. The first step to this very simple salad is to go ahead and get our peas boiling. We're gonna blanch these, so we're not gonna cook them for very long. Just 30 seconds in boiling water, toss them right in, and then we're gonna transfer them to an ice bath. One little straggler there. And we wanna cook these until they get bright green. If they get brown, we've gone too far. We wanna make sure to just get this into hot, boiling water for 30 seconds till they turn bright green and they just scream neon at you. That's about it right there. So we're gonna transfer these over with tongs right into our ice bath. Super, super simple. And you can use any kind of peas. I love snow peas, snap peas, but any kind are gonna work. Now in the same boiling water, we're gonna go ahead and add our soba noodles. And we're gonna toss these right in and cook these down for about 8 minutes. And after they're done, we'll also give them an ice bath. All right. I love soba noodles during the summer because you chill them, and these buckwheat noodles are so good for any summer salad. Now that we've got our noodles cooking, let's check on our peas. Yep, these look ready. All right, so we'll take these out of the ice bath, and we'll put them right back into their original bowl before we dress our salad. And our noodles are ready, so it's time to put them in their ice bath. Oh yeah. Give them a nice toss. And while these cool, let's go ahead and make our vinaigrette. So to make our delicious plant-based vinaigrette, we're gonna start with a vegetarian or plant-based fish sauce. We'll also add a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce or tamari. We've got 2 tablespoons of agave nectar. You can also use maple syrup. That's got a nice little punch to it. We've got about 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 cloves of minced ginger, and I've got about 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes in oil. I just love something spicy. And I'm gonna also add some sesame oil. Oh yeah, just love those aromas. And we'll just whisk. Okay folks, our dressing is done, our noodles are chilled. Now it's the most delicious part of the day. Time to eat. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our noodles right to the center of our big plate. I always love making a big plate of cold noodles. It's something my husband and I just absolutely love during the summer. And on the side, we're gonna add our very colorful vegetables, starting with our red bell pepper. So yummy. We've got our cucumber, which I have sliced and seeded. Now you can use English cucumbers, which you don't have to peel necessarily, but any kind of cucumber is delicious. Then we'll add our mung bean sprouts. So yummy and vital for this dish. We're gonna also add our blanched snow peas. Again, any kind of pea is gonna work, but these are my absolute favorites. We're gonna add some beautiful, colorful red cabbage right to the side. Oh yeah. And some pickled carrots. I love pickled carrots. Any kind of pickled vegetable will do nicely, but pickled carrots just give it a nice crunch while not being overly crunchy. Beautiful. Just a little bit more. And now we're gonna add our dressing right to the top of all of these delicious veggies and the noodles. And be generous with it. It's pride, folks. Now we're gonna also add just a little bit of green onion to the entire plate. And while not traditional, I gotta do it. I gotta top it off with some beautiful rainbow sprout right to the center of my bowl. So there you have it, folks. A delicious summer salad that you can enjoy all of the year, really. But during the summer, it's especially refreshing, especially for pride. It's so colorful, so beautiful, and made with lots of love for all of you folks. Again, I'm Chef Eddie Garza. If you want to learn more about eating plant-based, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm the Eddie Garza, and I can't wait to see you all here very soon. I'm gonna go ahead and start eating. Happy Pride, folks. So yummy.